Coming up in this read, you know in your guts that you cannot trust a certain someone, and you're absolutely correct. You can't trust them and you shouldn't trust them, and under no circumstances are you to give this person the benefit of the doubt. Pisces, let's get into your September love reading. Any information that you need can always be found in my pinned comment and in my description box below. If you're cross-watching for a Pisces, then please switch over the roles, because I could be speaking directly to you. And please do keep in mind that this is a general reading, which means it is not going to resonate for absolutely everybody. You only take what's resonating specifically for you, and you leave what doesn't for somebody else, okay? Please also do respect the tarot and approach it with patience, an open mind, and without expectations. And finally, if you don't want to miss a video, then subscribe and stay notified. Okay, so Pisces, just while I'm pulling the strongest energy that surrounds you at this time, I did receive a pre-shuffle message for you. Okay, so I'll take you through that first, and then I'll take you through the cards, right? Some of yous are being kept awake at night by stress that is being caused by another individual. This other individual, I don't know if it's a romantic partner of yours or a member of your family. I haven't a clue. It's going to be different for all of you. But this individual is making you feel like you have to somehow compete for their attention, making snidey remarks and comparisons, you know, like comparing you to someone else, and just quite frankly making you feel like you're not good enough and that you have to fight to be loved. And to be honest with you, it's fucking exhausting. And it's getting to the point now where you've checked out emotionally, but you might not have done it yet physically, okay? So that's going to be for some of you, not for all of you. Right, so your cards are indicating steady progress. Well, that's a bonus. It says, we acknowledge you for the progress that you've made in remembering love in your daily activities. We can clearly see the contribution that you're making to the world through your thoughts, feelings, and actions of love. So in spite of everything that you've been through, Pisces, you refuse to allow someone else to make you cold to the rest of the world, which shows real strength, okay? Because it's the easiest thing to do, isn't it? It's that knee-jerk reaction to just sort of lock everybody out and be cold to absolutely everybody because someone's hurt you. You know, that's the easy way out. To continue to show love and empathy for others, even though you're deeply, deeply hurting, that shows great strength of character, okay? So straight away, you know how strong you actually are, straight away. And then you've got Rebirth, Yule, okay? So that's like December time. Rebirth, something to do with the rebirth. So you're going to feel a new sense of purpose. I feel right before this Christmas time. So you're going through the process right now, which would be it's kind of like a death, like not a literal death. It's just a death of who you used to be, okay? And then come this Christmas time, you're going to be a new version of yourself. So it's like the new improved Pisces, okay? You then have encouragement and wish. So do not... I'm hearing the word surrender. So don't give up on the things that you're wishing for. You're being actively encouraged to continue fighting for your wishes. You've got a fairy godmother here as well in that wish card. Can you tell us more about this wish, please, for Pisces? Oh, wow, that was super abrupt. 3 of Swords reversed, Hierophant reversed, and the 5 of Cups reversed. Beautiful. What a fantastic combination to get as reversals, Pisces. Getting over the grief, the heartbreak, the disappointment, the hurt that someone else put you through. You're healing. 3 of Swords reversed is healing. Hierophant reversed. That's all about doing things differently. And then 5 of Cups reversed. Yeah. No regrets. So it's exactly as I was saying. Right now, it feels like you're going through this grieving process. And come this Christmas time, you will feel a lot stronger. A lot stronger. And some of you will then be ready for the brand new relationship. So just keep in mind while you're going through this process, and I know it might sound to be a bit patronising, but you're being reminded of this too shall pass, okay? Keep reminding yourself that every single day, that this too shall pass. What else for Pisces in love, please? Pisces in love. Okay, 8 of Coins in reverse. Your cards feel a bit stuck as well when I'm shuffling them. The 3 of Wands, another 3, the 3 of Cups, wow. The 5 of Swords, okay. This reading is for somebody specific who has been cheated on. It's very, very specific. Someone here has been cheated on, definitely. Now, you could be the cross-watcher, and it could be the Pisces that cheated on you and made you feel like you were just used, made you feel like you were a POS, like you weren't good enough. They've just completely taken advantage of you. Whoever this read is for, someone has been taken advantage of. Like, they've been treated as if they were gullible also. Yeah. Okay, right, so the dominant signs that's showing out in this read, let me see, Cancerian, Aquarius, Virgo, Gemini, Aries. That's the dominant signs if anybody's interested, okay? I mean, they could be placements in your chart as well. Not a nice situation, Pisces. I don't quite know what else I can say about that one. The Queen of Cups is your overall energy, so again, like, you're determined that this experience is not, it's not going to make you cold to the rest of the world. Like, you're determined that this isn't going to break you. This person has had you in competition, and for some of you, they've done it to you a few times. The only difference is now you've reached your limit. You have absolutely reached your limit. And see, with that 8 of Coins being in reverse as well, you've understood that that person is not going to change. They're not going to change. It doesn't matter what you do, doesn't matter what you say, how much you try to convince them, they're not going to change. It's like they're saying, it's in my nature. That is absolutely disgusting to behave in that way and then be so nonchalant about it as well. 4 of Coins in reverse. You opened up your heart to this person. You were very I'm getting the word vulnerability, or it could be the fact that their behavior has left you feeling very, very vulnerable. You're in a vulnerable place at the moment, Pisces. And it seems to me that you're concerned that you being in that vulnerable mindset could potentially open you up to someone else doing the exact same thing to you all over again, because you are feeling raw and vulnerable. This person who's behaved in that way, they've got a reputation for it as well. They do have a reputation for it, and they don't care. In fact, they're proud of it. They're proud of it. 6 of Wands, 5 of Wands, yeah, they don't care. High Priestess, that's your energy. That's your energy. Now that one came out off balance, so you might have gone against your better judgment and your better instincts to give that person a chance. You can tell us more about this energy, please, for Pisces. It's very disappointing to see this. I've never ever in all my days understood people who go around doing shit like this to other people. I've never understood it. It's like, what the hell gives them the right to go around destroying other people like that? Just because they can. 10 of Coins. You might have had a family with this individual. You might have wanted a family with this person. You could be finding out, like, this entire read could be about somebody within your family. Like, this could be one of your parents that's cheating on the other parent type thing. You know, take it as it resonates. I'm also seeing as well that somebody could have stolen some money off of you as well. Or they could have stolen off your family. They stole something out your house. Like, straight out of your house. Tell us more. Thank you. Yeah, fucking hell. 4 of Swords. 4 of Wands. Yeah. Rest, rejuvenate, reevaluate, reconsider, meditate. And then 4 of Wands. What was that I said about your house? They've stolen something out of your house, Pisces. You're going to have to get rid of this person as soon as possible. Like I said, I don't know if it's a member of your family. I don't know if it's a romantic interest. I don't know if it's one of your friends. I don't know. It's going to be different for all of you. This is firmly indicating, Pisces, that you know in your guts that you cannot trust a certain someone. And you're absolutely correct. You can't trust them, and you shouldn't trust them, and under no circumstances are you to give this person the benefit of the doubt. It is all over your energy that this person, whoever it is, they are a fucking scumbag. They're an absolute scum shitface twat. I don't like this energy. It's vile. It is really, really vile. Page of Coins in reverse. Now that's the student, and it's in reverse. So this person, they will never change. They will never learn. They're very, very childish. Magician in reverse. That's a manipulator. Highly, highly manipulative. And then you've got the 4, that's the 4 of Wands in reverse. That's like the breakup of a home, the breakup of a family, breakup of some kind of unit. Instability also. So this person is incredibly unstable. Like, they need the type of help that you're not going to be able to give them, because unless you're a professional counselor or something, then you're not going to be able to help that person. And tell us more about this energy, please. Can I have one more, please, for Pisces? What's going on here, please? And another, please. I feel the most information I can pull from this, Pisces, the better. Right, so it was this one. Whoa, the Tower, Knight of Cups, and then the... what's that? That's the Six of Swords in reverse. They are expecting for you to give them another chance, Pisces. See, with this Knight of Cups, I feel that that's the person that I've described working their way back towards you to try and manipulate you again. Because see how it's walking straight into the Tower. And then Six of Swords reversed. That's someone who's unable to move on. They're unable to move on. It's very stagnant energy when the Six of Swords comes out in reverse. Really stagnant. What a strange read. The Queen of Coins at the bottom of the deck. With the Magician. And the Six of Wands. And Justice. Queen of Cups. I'd be super careful around this individual, Pisces. They can't be trusted. Not at all. I do feel the need to pull more cards. I tell you what, I think I'm going to pull another deck. It is just... This read is frustrating me a little bit. Because I don't feel like I'm giving enough information. See, because I don't know what it is that's going on here. I'm just trying to read the cards and the energy as best I can. And tell me more about this Tower, please. For Pisces. Tell me more about the Tower for Pisces. The Tower. Tower times 2. 2 of Swords, 7 of Cups, 2 of Wands, the Lovers, and the King of Coins. Someone's definitely lied, but I'm trying to figure out what it is that they've lied about. They could have lied about their marital status, because you've got a King and a Queen of Coins out, and it's right next to the Lovers as well. So this person could have lied to you about their marital status. They could be... I feel that this is the type of person who has got some kind of addictions, and they have to get their supply from other people, and they don't care how they do it or where it comes from, as long as they get what it is that they've set out to achieve. And I feel it's something to do with money. There could be like a love scam that's going on here, or someone that you love is a scammer and a fraudster, and now they've started lying to you as well. See, it's so confusing because they've told so many lies. It's actually, I feel that it's impacting on this read because there's so many lies to try and uncover and try to make sense out of it. Like they've deliberately caused as much confusion as they can. I don't think even they know what the truth is at this point. Do you know what I mean? Because it's like they've told that many lies that... They don't even know what's real and what's fantasy anymore. Why is that Magician reversed, please, for Pisces? Why is the Magician reversed? Thank you. That's loads. Okay. The Hierophant, the Six of Coins, Ten of Swords, Death, Two of Cups, and the Star. Yeah, I do feel strongly at this point, Pisces, that somebody was absolutely giving to another individual when they shouldn't have been. And I'm talking about a prolific cheat. A prolific cheat. You could be dealing with a Scorpio, an Aries, a Taurus, a Libra, an Aquarius. You will heal from this, Pisces. You will. Do you remember that thing that you were wishing for? And I says the universe is actively encouraging you. The universe was actively encouraging you not to surrender your dreams and your wishes and your hopes. You've got it here. Two of Cups is a partnership, any kind of partnership, friendship, relationship. It's something that's fair, balanced, equal, loving, respectful. And it's right next to the Star. So this ending of this situation, Ten of Swords, is going to take you through this death energy, which is this healic, this rebirth. Okay. Death, rebirth, change, transition, transformation, metamorphosis. Right. That's a rebirth. This ending needs to happen. You need to bring the hammer down on this bullshit situation, whatever this is. If this is with a parent, if it's with a friend, a husband, a wife, a lover, a potential love, whoever, you need to bring the hammer down on this ASAP. You're needing to end this. They won't. They won't, because they still, look, they're saying, I've still got use for you, Pisces. Which is absolutely disgusting. Tower times 2. They're not going to end it because they're still getting some kind of benefit out of taking from you. You're the one that needs to bring the hammer down on this situation. And as soon as you do that, that healing process can then begin. Got the Five of Coins under there. That's that lack mentality. I feel that that's that person making you feel like you won't find anybody else. Which, again, of course, is absolute bullshit. Because of course you will find someone else, Pisces. Of course you will. Why wouldn't you? Do you want to know why they're saying that to you? So that you won't leave. That's yet another of one of the many, many lies that this individual has told you. They've said you won't find anyone else. They've probably said really disgusting, derogatory things to you, such as you're really hard to love, no one else is going to want you, this, that, and the next. And it's all bullshit, Pisces, all of it. All of it. This person is highly, highly abusive. Have a healing message, please, for Pisces. I don't like that energy. I really, really don't. And honestly, for those of you who are dealing with a situation like that, my heart absolutely goes out to you, because I know how difficult it is to leave a situation like that. It's honestly, it is one of the hardest things that you will ever, ever, ever have to do. But I tell you, see, once you've done it, You will be so glad that you did, and you will be a completely different person this time next year, I can assure you. You will be. Right, so you've got the Seer, number 33. They know. They have the power to open their third eye and see past what is known and peer right into the unknown. The Seer honours the gifts that the gods have bestowed upon them. They allow their imagination to tell them what will come and how to manage the flow of information. Snakes wrap around their neck, protecting and defending all words and visions of the Seer. Going up to meet them invokes the will of the gods. Are you ready to hear what it is that they have to tell you? Can you handle the news that they will tell you about what is coming into your life, be it for better or for worse? Listen to the universe in order to bring the dreams of insight. Locate the balance between the fate and free will. Yeah. So, of course, yes, that energy, it goes without saying that that's like the high priestess, isn't it? You've got a very strong intuition, Pisces. And the amount of lies that that person's told you, it's made you question your very own ability. Because they've been gaslighting you that much. What else, please, for Pisces? Cupid. Love is in the air when Cupid's around, so you will find love again. Temptation. Oh, think carefully about the situation. You have one more, please, for Pisces. And challenges. With admire. It's time to think of everything that you admire in your partner, and all true soul connections involve challenges that can be overcome together. The funny thing is with this, Pisces, some of yous will be tempted to give this person another chance because clearly they're asking you for one. Okay. You could be trying to justify to yourself as to why you should give them yet another chance. But listen, Pisces, whatever you do in this situation, it's your decision. Okay, remember with the Seer, you do have free will. It's up to you completely what happens next. It's your decision. Okay. And for those of you who are wanting to just cut all ties with that particular person, then you will be successful and you absolutely will meet somebody brand new when the time is right. Okay. Difficult energies, but that is what I have for you, Pisces. If you feel that you could benefit from a personal reading that is more catered towards your specific needs, then you can place a booking at phoenixkeiatarot.com, or you can use the links that I provided in the description box and in the pinned comment below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.